So we're here with Errol Douglas and he's going to talk us through some summer trends. I think he's going to be doing some updos, really easy, that you can do from beach to bar yourself. So Errol.
Right, hello everybody. What I'm going to do something very simple, very straightforward. First off, it's really good to have the hair quite natural. There's no movement in the hair. The more you brush the hair, the smoother you make it. And when you brush the hair, especially if you're brushing the hair in a downward movement, it stimulates the hair and it makes the hair a little bit shiny. So try that, but the ends, leave the ends. Anything to do with the ends, kind of a little bit of rough, a little bit of kind of textured, is very on trend, so that's really cool. And what I'm going to use in the hair, I'm going to use a little bit of dry shampoo. This is by Matrix and it's kind of a remixed dry shampoo. Just put a tiny bit in the hair and it's great for texture. Gives the hair a little bit of texture. And again, if you're doing certain things like this, especially if you're putting in pins and grips, it just gives the hair just a little bit of stability. Okay? Don't take the hair back too severely because we want something which is quite soft. So again, I'm going to be working with Jordana's parting and I'm not going to take it. So if you take it away, sometimes it's too severe. You leave it natural, it looks still on trend. Okay? And I'm not brushing the hair aggressively, so try not to brush the hair aggressively. Okay? If you can as well, depending on the brush you're using. This is a small brush. This is a half size Mason and Pearson, and all it is, you can see it's got a curve. Okay, the brushes which are quite flat tend to kind of dig into the hair. This is kind of grooved or curved to the head. All right, so you get that movement and that motion. Anything too flat, all it is you're just going to really tear the hair. Okay, so we've done that. So really gently, just brush it back. Okay, and what I'm doing here is something a lot softer, and it's a twist to the side. So once you've secured the hair, all you have to do is twist and twist and twist. Okay? And you're going to use a couple of pins. You're not going to use a load of pins, you're going to use a couple of big pins. Okay? So you can see how the hair, if you twist anti-clockwise, it's better. Okay? The hair is just literally going into its movement. Okay? And then you just twist the hair back up. Okay, right, this is where I'm going to start to use a pin. I'm going to use a large pin. So the movement with this is you're twisting the hair up and around. Twisting up and around. Twisting up and around. And you've got 3 pins in there, so 3 pins should be enough. Whoa! Okay, 3 pins is enough. Okay, and again, when you see kind of smaller bits of hair like this, leave it. It's all on trend. It looks great. Okay, and with this as well, depending on if you like ornamentation or texture in the hair, you can put anything in the direction of where the hair is. And when the hair is finished off like this, because you can see it's got its own natural highlights, it makes the hair look even more of an impact.